What other aesthetic processes do you offer here?
Well, pretty much all the surgical face type of surgery. One thing that works really well is if you're having like eyelid surgery done, say if you're having the upper eyelids done, if they're blocking your vision, a lot of time that's covered by insurance for you. So we can get that approved if it's blocking usually by 30% of the vision or more, insurance will cover that. Then also the lower lids, if you have droopy lower lids, we can raise those back up so they look normally, work normally, tighten up the lower lids. And even through a lower lid eye incision, you can do a mid-face lift where you can actually lift up the face area. You combine it with everything else that's available, such as the filler materials, and you get a really nice natural result with minimal downtime.
So that's fantastic, and I know that for me, the healing process here was wonderful. If anything can be wonderful, surgically and getting over all of that. But it was wonderful because you did microderm on my scars, and
Absolutely.
it made such a difference for me.
Yeah,
and you offer that
and
as
actually
part of your. It's just
I'm
part
just
of
so
the
excited.
service.
I want to talk about
Yeah,
it.
it's part of your service. It's not like I would have gone to an esthetician somewhere else and paid for microderm.
Yeah.
But you provide it as part of what you do.
It enhances the healing process.
Yeah.
I want somebody to get the best possible result. We actually do that for free afterwards. I have an excellent person working for me. His name's Harvey Holliker. He's been an esthetician for years. He actually was nominated for an Emmy for his work on TV. He's an excellent esthetician. He does microderm for us. He does permanent eyeliner for us. He does facials. He knows actually 15 different type of facials that are available out there. And we do provide a lot of ancillary services free because I want you to heal the best, I want you to have the minimum downtime, and I want you to be happy because we really haven't been out there marketing and advertising.
Yeah.
It's all word of mouth. It's
know.
all and who you know, and somebody's been happy and they come in.
Tell me about laser. What do you do? I know you do some laser stuff. What can you tell me about laser? I don't know anything about laser. What's up?
Well, I kind of got into laser a very interesting way because one of my fortes that I really enjoy is hair restoration surgery, hair transplants. And years ago, they came out with this new laser called an ultra pulse CO2 laser. And actually it came out to help assist with hair transplant surgery. And we found that although it didn't work real well with the hair transplant surgery, never found its niche, it was great at removing lines and wrinkles. And it actually can tighten up the skin and improve the tightness of the outer layer of the skin very, very well. The only downside to that is that although it works great, it does have a little bit of a downtime. And since then, there's been a whole line of lasers, including the fractionated laser. Probably the most common one people know out there is called the Fraxel. You have the Cool Touch laser and other lasers where you can do almost like a lunchtime type of laser to improve the skin. And what you're essentially doing is, unlike everything before we were talking about where you're building the structure underneath, this is enhancing the quality of your skin. So it's removing some of the old dead skin cells, the dead pigmentation that you get as you get older, the fine lines and wrinkles. And so by adding the microdermabrasion or some of the laser treatments on the outside, where you're doing stuff underneath the skin to build the anatomy back to normal, you get a great result.
See, I'm impressed, and I think it's an amazing facility that you have here, and I don't know if you want to talk about it or not, but I have heard that you've got something new on the horizon coming up.
Yes, we do. And actually, if you don't mind, my partner, Dr. Castor, do you mind if he mention that to you? We have a new facility that's under construction as we speak.
I think it would be great. Can he? Is he here?
Yeah, can we have him join us?
Sure. What are you? Are you a doctor?
Yeah.
I mean, for real?
I'm
What
an
kind of doctor?
optometrist.
An optometrist.
Yep.
So people can come to Envision Eye Specialists, and you can help them see again.
Sure.
They can look better and see better at the same time.
That's exactly right.
That's fantastic.
Contact lenses, glasses, general eye exams. We treat all kinds of eye diseases here.
So it's kind of like one-stop shopping in a way.
Yeah,
You can
you
get
get a
your
lot done.
vision back and
And get
look
your
better.
youthful appearance back
Yeah.
in the same room.
And look better.
Yeah.
So tell me, I know something's up, a new facility. I
Yep, we're in
think.
the process of designing. Well, it is designed. We just need to get it approved and built. A new facility here in Westlake, and on Columbia and Center Ridge Road. We're going to take an old Audiocraft building, and it's a 5,000 square foot facility.
Mhm.
We're going to have a full eye clinic in there, and optical. full-service optical, contact lenses, and specialty eyewear. And we're also going to have a wellness spa on the other half of the building where our esthetician and Dr. Ross will be doing all kinds of procedures, hair transplants, the microdermabrasion sessions. We're going to have some massotherapy in there, the liquid facelifts, all that good stuff there.
I know that what you guys bring, and I'm saying you guys like, you're not just guys, you're qualified doctors and professionals, but what you bring to this community is something very valuable. And
Thank you.
I don't think you should have any trouble trying to expand and bring more and
look
more
forward
to the public.
it. So,
yeah. And as a designer, I'm assuming the place is going to look nice too.
oh yeah, we want to give
yeah.
it a nice, classy look to it.
Fantastic. And as I'm sure there'll be more and more research that becomes available and more breakthroughs that you will be facilitating in your practice. And I think it's really great. I mean, we're here in Cleveland, Ohio. I know we're actually in Westlake, but it's part of living in Cleveland.
Sure.
And there is this world-class Envision Eye Specialist place that's doing everything. It's fantastic. Thank you both so much.
Thank
for
you very much.
your time today and the opportunity, and thank you for my eyes back. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
You know, this is going to be really fun and really interesting. We talked about Radius with Dr. Ross originally, and it's a brand new product, and it's available. Dr. Ross is utilizing it in his practice, and it's an injected product. Maybe you want to say more about what it is. But what's interesting is that today we're going to get to watch somebody having it injected into their face to help with the structure of their face a little bit. At least I think that's what's happening. You want to say anything about this before we start?
Sure. Radius is a long-lasting filler that fills in the natural aging process. That'll get rid of lines and wrinkles and restore the facial anatomy back to what it was when he was younger. So,
And are you worried that this might hurt a lot?
No, not at all.
Because why? You're strong, you're macho, you're tough?
No, because I know Dr. Ross. He doesn't hurt anybody.
He won't hurt anybody, okay? Okay, well, we're going to hope that that's the truth, and we're going to watch here as he does a little Radius.
okay. Okay, Alfred, I'm going to have you relax.
This is our before, now we're going to have an after.
So you fill one little pinch with this here. You ready? Pinch. You're doing great. And a little pressure as that goes in. You doing okay?
Yeah.
Do you need to yell?
No, not at all.
So this is something that is really easy
Very.
for the patient.
That was like, nada.
Just a little bit more right here, and then we'll go to the other side, okay?
Okay. Just make sure you have enough for Don.
Oh, I'm naturally good looking and young. I don't need this stuff.
What that does, this will enhance your cheekbone area, lift it up off the line here, and give you a gradual improvement of the youth. I mean, you can see the difference here just between the lines he has right here and the lines over on this side, how much it's improved already just from that one single injection.
Boy, that's amazing, isn't it?
Do more as it improves it. Okay. and then-
Fantastic.
Okay.
Yep.
We'll do a little bit, and then down the road we can do a little bit more, and keep enhancing that for you, and getting rid of more of the lines each time. Move that around, exactly where I want it. You survive?
No, that was nothing.
Okay. So I gave you a little bit bigger, fuller cheekbones there. Match them up here a little bit. Doing okay?
That
So
is amazing.
It's
That's
going to
amazing.
continue to improve too over the next few days and so.
Wow. Gee. Salute.
Definitely.
Huh? Man,
Definitely.
The little droopiness is like out of here.
Yeah. We need a little bit more up and through here, and we'll do that like next time around.
Next time,
Something
next
like
time you come for Erica, bring
Oh.
your syringe.